Hello students, today will be the last part of GST from Frank. Okay, so first we'll do question number 33. In the new book it is question number 22. Now what does this question say? SGST on an AC is 14%. SGST is 14%. Price of the AC including GST. Price including GST is 57,600. What is the rate of GST? So if SGST is 1400, if SGST is 14%, then CGST will also be 14%. Okay, therefore CGST will also be 14%, and therefore total GST, rate of GST will be 28%. Correct? Because SGST and CGST are half of GST. Correct? So our first question is, what is the rate of GST? Rate of GST is 28%. Okay. Second is also very simple. Find the price of the AC before GST. Price including GST is already given in the question. Okay. Price excluding GST. Let the price be X, excluding GST. Okay. So what is the formula? How do we find price including GST? How do you find that? That is the price excluding GST plus 28% on that price. See, जो भी प्राइस होता है आर्टिकल का, उस पर हम GST ऐड करते हैं, ठीक है, तब जाके मिलता है प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग GST. ठीक है, तो दिस टाइम वी ऑलरेडी नो दिस वैल्यू. प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग GST इज 57,600. ओके, सो ये प्राइस मिला कैसे है? जो प्राइस था एक्सक्लूडिंग GST, उसमें 28% GST को ऐड किया. यू कैन से लाइक दिस, सेल प्राइस प्लस GST ऑन सेल प्राइस. ओके, सो मैंने प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग का फॉर्मूला आपको दिया है ये. सो दैट इज x प्लस 28x upon 100. Take LCM, so 100x plus 28, so this will become 128x upon 100 equals 576. Now cross multiply, so 576 00 into 100 upon 128 equals x. Now do this calculation. You will get the answer as 45,000. Okay, so this is the price before GST, or you can say the price excluding GST. Okay, so just write the final answer. Price of AC before GST is rupees 45,000. Okay, now what is the amount of GST? In the third part they are asking फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ GST, मतलब कितना GST लगा. ठीक है, तो ये भी डायरेक्टली पता चल सकता है. कैसे? सी, प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग GST कितना है? 57,600. एंड प्राइस एक्सक्लूडिंग GST कितना है? 45,000. सो ये 45,000 का 57,000 कैसे हुआ? ये जो प्राइस बढ़ी है, ये किसके वजह से बढ़ी है? GST की वजह से. ओके, सो अमाउंट ऑफ GST आप ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो, 28% ऑफ दिस 45,000. ओके, या आप इसको ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो, ज़्यादा इजी तरीके से अगर चाहिए तो, कि बिफोर GST ये प्राइस था, आफ्टर GST लगने के बाद ये प्राइस है, तो इन दोनों को अगर माइनस करूँगा तो GST मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, सो बोथ वेज में यू कैन फाइंड लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, 57600 माइनस 45,000. Okay, in both ways you will get the answer same. Okay. सो जो भी आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है, यू कैन राइट दैट. द आंसर विल बी सेम. It is 12,600. Even here it will be 12,600. So I hope आपको समझ में आया है. अमाउंट ऑफ GST क्या है? प्राइस बिफोर GST ये है 45,000, तो उस पर 28% इज दिस मच. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट जब ये 45,000 और इसको ऐड करोगे तो मिलेगा 57,600 बिकॉज दिस इज प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग GST. ओके, सो इंक्लूडिंग GST में से एक्सक्लूडिंग GST माइनस किया, तो ये जो अमाउंट मिला दिस इज GST ओनली. ओके, सो ऐसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं और ऐसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. आई एम गिविंग यू बोथ वेज. ओके, copy this question. Now all the common questions which were there between both the books, the old one and the new one, are done. Now I'll do a few sums. From the old book there are two sums, 29 and 31, which are important, okay, and which are not there in the new book. I'll do that sums now. So they are important, and those who do not have the old book, those who have the new edition, must also do these sums. Okay, and from the new book, in the new book, 4 new sums are added. Question number 19, 23, 24 and 25. These are the question numbers from the new book, and they are very good sums. Okay, they are new type of sums, new variety of sums which are added. Okay, so we will do these sums also, and we will do these sums also. Okay, the old pics are already sent in the group. Okay, and I'll also send the pics of these 4 new sums in the group. For those who do not have the new textbook, can refer to these sums. Okay, let's do the question number 29 first from the old book. Important question because we have to find the rate of GST here. Okay, simple question but a different one. So a manufacturer sells an article with the mark price of 4,500. So the mark price is 4,500 to a wholesaler at a discount of 20%. So manufacturer sells it to the wholesaler at a discount of 20%. Okay, so what will be the cost price of wholesaler? Wholesaler को मिला है 20% discount, means I will find the 80% of 4,500. Okay, that is 3,600. So means manufacturer sold the wholesaler at 3,600. Okay, the wholesaler sells it to the retailer at 10% discount on the mark price. So wholesaler sells it to the retailer at, see, wholesaler को मिला 20% discount, retailer को मिला 10% discount. Okay, so retailer is getting 10% discount on the mark price. Okay, so what will be the cost price of retailer? It will 10% discount, means I will find 90% of 4,500, that is 4,050. Okay, if the GST paid by the wholesaler is 54 rupees, so कितना GST paid किया wholesaler ने? 54 rupees. GST by wholesaler is 54 rupees. Find the rate of GST. GST की rate नहीं दी है इस question में, so we have to find the rate of GST. Okay, so how do we find the rate of GST? Simple. I know the GST by wholesaler. Okay, so I'll use the formula of this GST by wholesaler. First of all, अच्छा, wholesaler ने sell कितने में किया retailer को? 4,050 में. Okay, so what is the profit of wholesaler? What is the profit of wholesaler from the question? You can see, खरीदा 3,600 में और बेचा 4,050 में. Okay, so 4,050 minus 3,600, that means 450 का प्रॉफिट किया होलसेलर ने. Okay, so the GST by wholesaler is, we don't know the rate percent of GST. ठीक है, तो मैं उसको ले लेता हूँ R/100 into profit. ऐसे ही फाइंड करते हैं GST because wholesaler is a middleman, so rate percent into profit. Okay, now GST by wholesaler we already know is 54 rupees. Okay, and we already know the profit is 450 rupees, and we can find R now, rate. Let's cross multiply. This 100 will go here and 450 will come down. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 9 5s are 9 6s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So I am getting the rate as 12% rate of GST. Okay, the rate of GST is 12%. The second part of the question says find the GST paid by retailer. Okay, अच्छा, we missed one point here, that the retailer sells the article to the customer at mark price. So retailer ने mark price में sell किया है, ठीक है. So this was important. Now we have to find the GST paid by retailer. So first we should know the profit, because retailer is a middleman. So retailer का profit क्या है? Profit of retailer is, we know the rate of GST. Profit of retailer is 4500 minus 4050. Correct? इतने में लिया, इतने में बेचा. So 4500 minus 4050, that is 450. Okay, 4500 minus 4050, that is 450 rupees. So what will be the GST? GST paid by retailer will be 12% of his profit. What is the profit? 450. Okay, 5 9s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 9 6s are 54 rupees. So what is the GST paid by retailer? It is 54 rupees. Okay, and third part is very simple, price paid by customer. So you can find that part on your own. Price paid by customer, it will be sale price plus 12% of the sale price of customer. What is the sale price of the customer? Customer ने कितने में लिया? 4500. Okay, so 4500 plus 12% of 4500. Okay, solve this question, complete it. See, it starts from here. Pause the video and copy it down and complete this sum. This sum is not there in the new book. This sum is also not there in the new book, 31, but it is a very good sum, and that is why everyone must solve it. The 31st sum says, a manufacturer sells the watch to a distributor. A manufacturer sells the watch to a distributor for 4130 inclusive of tax. So including tax वाली amount दी है. So price including tax is 4130. कभी भी including tax वाली price यहाँ पे नहीं आएगी, ठीक है. This is price including tax दी उन्होंने. Okay, so first we have to find the price exclusive of tax. Okay, so how to find that? Price including tax is x plus the rate of GST is 18% in the question. X plus 18% of x. I told you price including tax दिया हुआ है. So excluding tax वाली price plus tax will be equal to price including tax. Okay, so this is 4130. So this will become 1118x upon 100. Cross multiply, which is equals to x. Now when you solve this, when you divide 4130 with 118, you will get 35. So your answer for x will be 3500. Okay, That means manufacturer sold the article to the distributor at 3500. ओके, एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स वाली प्राइस ही यहाँ पे आती है हमेशा डायग्राम में, ठीक है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर सेल्स इट टू द रिटेलर फॉर 3800 एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स. सो इस बार एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स ही दिया है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ठीक है. 3800. रिटेलर सेल्स इट टू द कस्टमर फॉर 4200 प्लस टैक्स. 4200 प्लस टैक्स. 4200 प्लस टैक्स मतलब 4200 में बेचा, ठीक है, एंड प्लस उस पर टैक्स लगेगा, ठीक है. उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि इट इज़ 4200 इंक्लूडिंग टैक्स, नहीं, दैट इज़ डिफरेंट. सो मैन्युफैक्चरर सोल्ड एट 4130 इंक्लूडिंग टैक्स, तो हमने एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स वाली अमाउंट फाइंड की बिकॉज 3500. देन ही सोल्ड, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर सोल्ड इट टू रिटेलर एट 3800 एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स. रिटेलर सोल्ड इट टू कस्टमर एट 4200 विच इज़ एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स, ठीक है. इसमें प्लस टैक्स होगा और फिर कस्टमर को उतना बिल बनेगा, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट डू वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर? First of all, they want to find the CP of the watch for the distributor. So this was the first part. Okay, so this is the CP of the watch for distributor is 3500. Correct? The CP of the watch for the distributor is 3500. Correct? CP never includes the tax. Tax is different. This was the first part of the question. Second part, GST paid by distributor to the government. Very simple. GST paid by the distributor. So distributor is a middleman here. So कितना profit किया distributor ने? Distributor's profit is 300 rupees. Okay. So profit of distributor is 300 rupees. Okay. Or else let's write the steps. ₹300. Okay, so the GST paid by distributor will be 18% of 300, that is 54 rupees. Okay. Now behind the textbook, this sum is from the old textbook. Behind the textbook उन्होंने क्या किया है? Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. 4 सब questions है इसमें. Now in the behind the textbook, in the answer section, they have given the answer of first, second and directly fourth. They have skipped this third answer. भूल गए गलती से देना, ठीक है. आप लोग को पीछे करेक्शन कर लेना. बहुत मिस्टेक्स है ये चैप्टर में, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज दिस इज अ न्यू चैप्टर, स्टार्टेड ओनली लास्ट ईयर, सो देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. ओके, द थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेज टोटल GST रिसीव्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑन द सेल ऑफ द वॉच. सो टोटल GST मीन्स व्हाट? टोटल GST रिसीव्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. हाउ टू फाइंड दिस? आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द फॉर्मूलाज इटसेल्फ. टोटल GST मतलब GST पेड बाय द कस्टमर. ओके, सो 18% ऑफ GST पेड बाय द कस्टमर. कस्टमर ने कितने में लिया है? 4200. Okay, so this will be 4200. This answer will be 756. Okay, टेक्स्ट बुक में पीछे ये आंसर दिया ही नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में डायरेक्ट फोर्थ का आंसर दे दिया है, तो थोड़ा सा वो गड़बड़ है, आप लोगों को पीछे चेंज कर देना. ओके, एंड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज प्राइस पेड बाय द कस्टमर. सो प्राइस पेड बाय कस्टमर, वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज द प्राइस पेड बाय द कस्टमर? Price paid by the customer will be 4200 plus 18% of 4200, ठीक है. So that is 4200 plus ये हमने अभी फाइंड किया था 756. So your answer will be 4956. Okay, this is your fourth answer. With this we have completed all the questions from the old book. As I told you, I will do 4 sums from the new book now. 4 important sums. Copy this fast. pause the video and copy the sums. Okay. The 19th sum from the new book. Now all the sums which I am doing are from the new book. Those who do not have it, I have sent the pictures in the group. You can refer to them. Now, Ayush purchased a computer for 28,320 rupees, which includes 20% discount on the list price and 18% tax under the GST on the remaining price. Find the list price of the computer. So ये final price है, ठीक है, and list price, that is the mark price. We don't know the mark price. Okay, so write let the mark price be X. Okay, so क्या क्या चीज़ हुई है? 20% डिस्काउंट मिला है, ठीक है, एंड देन 18% GST हुआ है. तो दोनों चीज़ ऐड करना है, दोनों चीज़ करना है, ठीक है. तो पहले 20% डिस्काउंट करना है ऑन द मार्क प्राइस. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड 20% डिस्काउंट. सो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस फॉर आयुष. व्हाट इज द डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस? 20% डिस्काउंट मिला है, तो बचा कितना? 80%. सो 80% ऑफ mark price. What is the mark price? X. So this will be 80x upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So your answer is 4x upon 5. Yeah, discounted price. Discount is always on the mark price and you don't know the mark price. Okay, so you've taken the mark price as X. This is your discounted price. Now on this price he has to pay 18% GST. Okay, and that price is this. This is the final price. Okay. So price including GST will be 4x plus 5 sale price. This is the sale price. Okay, plus 18% of GST on this price. Okay, जो price है, price including GST, price of computer इंक्लूडिंग GST क्या होगा? ये जो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस है प्लस 18% ऑन दैट. ओके, बट ये प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग GST आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. दिस इज 28,320. 4x अपॉन 5 प्लस दिस विल बिकम 18 4s are 72x upon 500. Okay, let's take LCM here. So multiply this with 100. So this will become 400x upon 500 plus 72x upon 500. So this is 472x upon 500 equals this. Now cross multiply. Calculate this. Answer will be very simple. Answer will be 30,000. So mark price was 30,000. ओके, 30,000 मार्क प्राइस था जिस पे 20% डिस्काउंट मिला, फिर उस पर 18% GST ऐड हुआ एंड दैट प्राइस वाज दिस मच. सो एक्चुअल मार्क प्राइस वाज दिस इज द मार्क प्राइस. If you are confused, just rewind the video and watch it once again. Now, the question number 23. Now this question number 23 and question number 24, both of these questions are very important. They are not there in the old book. So those who have the old book must refer to these questions from the images sent in the group. Very important question. This is there in concise also. Now the question is, list price of an article. अब जो न्यू बुक में ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है मैं लिखता हूँ. The list price of an article is rupees 588 including 12% GST. Okay, list price of an article is 588 including 12% of GST. The customer bargains. Okay, so there is a customer, okay, who bargains, and what he says, customer bargains with the shopkeeper, and what he says that reduce the price, okay, so that, now in your textbook, those who have the new textbook, in your textbook, just make one change there. The question says the customer bargains with the shopkeeper and reduces the price so that she can pay, okay, it is written she can pay the mark price, she can pay only the mark price inclusive of GST. So in the textbook they have given the question like this, reduce the price so that she can pay. In this place they have given rupees 588 again. Okay, so cancel that 588 and write there only MP. Okay, that is the correction in the question. Write there only MP. 588 को cut करना and यहाँ पे लिखना only mark price. I will explain what the question is. See, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि the list price of an article is 588 including GST, including 12% GST. Okay, so first हम excluding GST, mark price, list price means mark price. So let's find the mark price first. So let the list price be X. Okay, this 588 is including 12% GST. Okay, so price including GST will be X plus, what is the rate of GST in the question? It is 12%. Okay, so X plus 12% of X is price including GST. Okay, so this is 588 equals 1112x upon 100. Okay, now when you will solve this, you will get X as 525. Okay, so that means the list price is 525. ओके, लिस्ट प्राइस 525 है. ठीक है, समझो मतलब ये कि ये प्रोडक्ट है अगर, ठीक है, ये एक प्रोडक्ट है तो उस पर प्रिंट किया हुआ है प्राइस कितनी है 525. ठीक है, तो अब आप जब बाय करने जाओगे प्रोडक्ट यू विल हैव टू पे 525 प्लस टैक्स ऑन इट. ठीक है, 525 प्लस टैक्स, सो दैट विल अमाउंट टू 588. सो दिस इज द बिल यू विल पे normally. But what the customer wants, the customer bargains with the shopkeeper. He says reduce the price such that, so that she can pay only the mark price including the GST. Means उसने क्या कहा कि इस 525 प्राइस है ना, मैं ये प्राइस नहीं पे करूँगी. ठीक है, बिकॉज 525 प्लस GST करते हैं तो 588 हो जाता है. उसने क्या बोला कि प्राइस को इतना कम करो. ठीक है, ये जो 525 है, ठीक है, इस प्राइस को इतना कम कर दो. ओके, कि जो भी प्राइस मिलेगा कम करने के बाद उस पे जब मैं GST पे करूँगी तो दैट टोटल शुड बी इक्वल टू 525. ओके, मीन्स दिस 525 इज एक्सक्लूडिंग GST. ओके, बट शी सेड नहीं, आई विल नॉट पे 525, रिड्यूस द प्राइस. ओके, रिड्यूस समझो अंदाज फॉर एग्जांपल 450 कर दो. ठीक है, फिर 450 में GST तो भरना ही पड़ेगा, दैट इज़ फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, यू हैव टू पे इट. सो 450 प्लस GST करोगे तो यू विल गेट 525. सो शी विल पे ओनली 525 फॉर द article. Understood? This is what the question is about. Okay, right now the price is 525 and plus GST it becomes 588. Okay, but she wants this 525 to reduce and become something. Okay, I have just taken an example 450. Okay, so if it becomes 450, then when you add GST, the total will become 525. Okay, so she said that she will pay only 525 including GST. Okay, that is why the customer bargains with the shopkeeper to reduce the price so that she can pay only the mark price which inclusive of GST. Okay, so अब ये कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सेम तरीके से. कैसे? दैट प्राइस इंक्लूसिव ऑफ GST इक्वल्स, क्या होता है प्राइस इंक्लूसिव ऑफ GST? क्या होता है? x प्लस 12%, sorry, 12% of x. Okay, so what the customer is saying that I will pay only 525 including tax. Okay, so you offer me a price which is so less that after adding the 12% tax, the total should be 525. Okay, so what is that price? So just write here, let the reduced price be, actually I have taken the same variable again, let's take it y. Okay, let the reduced price be y. So उस reduced price पे जब 12% GST अप्लाई होगा तो total is 525. Okay, so this will become 1112y upon 100. Okay, cross multiply. Cross multiply this. Question number 23. When you solve this, you will get the answer of y as 468.75. Okay, so means what the customer said that I will pay only this much, and plus जब इस पे टैक्स होगा तो टोटल कितना बन जाएगा? 525. सो वो 525 देके चली गई फॉर द आर्टिकल. ओके, सो कितना प्राइस रिड्यूस हुआ? द रिडक्शन इन प्राइस इज 525 का मार्क प्राइस था, ठीक है, बट उसने सिर्फ कितना पे किया? 468 minus 75. So when you subtract this, you will get the answer as 56.25. So this is the reduction in price she demanded. Okay, now behind the textbook, for the new ones who have the new textbook, क्योंकि उनके बुक में ये क्वेश्चन है, पीछे आंसर दिया है 63, which is wrong. Okay, the answer should be 56.25. Just make the correction in your book. Okay, I hope this question is अंडरस्टूड. थोड़ा सा टिपिकल अलग क्वेश्चन था ये. ओके, सो अभी सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी वैसा ही है. सो लेट्स वंस अगेन डू इट. पॉज द वीडियो एंड कॉपी इट. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. इट इज द सेम क्वेश्चन. The price of an article inclusive of GST is 4410. So price including GST is 4410. Okay, rate is 5%. Okay, a customer asks the dealer for a discount on the listed price. Okay, so first I'll have to find the listed price. So let's find the listed price. Let the listed price be x. Okay, so price including GST का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Price including GST is x plus 5% ऑफ एक्स, ठीक है, ये लिस्ट प्राइस है। लिस्ट प्राइस पे 5% जब टैक्स पे करेंगे तो टोटल अमाउंट होगा प्राइस इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी। ओके, सो 4410 इक्वल्स, व्हेन यू टेक एलसीएम दिस विल बिकम 105 अपॉन 100. So 4410 into 100 upon 105 equals x. Now when you make this calculation you will get the answer as 4200. Okay, so that means the list price is 4200. Okay, the list price of the article is 4200. Now let's read the second part of the question. It says, मतलब लिस्ट प्राइस 4200 था, ठीक है, जिस पे जीएसटी ऐड किया तो कितना बन रहा था 4410. ओके, तो आपको अगर खरीदना है तो यू हैव टू पे दिस मच. बट द कस्टमर आस्क द डीलर फॉर अ डिस्काउंट ऑन द लिस्ट प्राइस, सो दैट वो डिस्काउंट करो लिस्ट प्राइस को, ठीक है, लिस्ट प्राइस को कम करो, सो दैट आफ्टर चार्जिंग द जीएसटी ऑन दिस लिस्ट प्राइस द सेलिंग प्राइस शुड बी सेम एज द लिस्ट प्राइस. मीन्स इस लिस्ट प्राइस को इतना कम कर दो, ठीक है, कि जब उसमें मैं जीएसटी ऐड करूँ सो दिस टोटल बिकम्स 4200. मीन्स दिस टोटल बिकम्स द लिस्ट प्राइस. समझ रहे हो, सेम क्वेश्चन जो पिछला किया था, ठीक है. तो अभी डिस्काउंट देना पड़ेगा शॉपकीपर को. शॉपकीपर डिस्काउंट किस पे दे सकता है, उसके मार्क प्राइस पे, ठीक है, उसके लिस्ट प्राइस पे. तो अभी वो देखते हैं लिस्ट प्राइस कितना कम करेगा, ठीक है, जिसमें जीएसटी ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल विल बी 4200. Okay, so again price, this was the first part of the question by the way, to find the list price. Okay, now second we have to find the amount of discount. So the price including GST which the customer says that price including GST वो कितना पे करेगा, customer says I'll pay only 4200. Okay, so price including GST is 4200. And what is the formula? X, I'll take y, वेरिएबल चेंज करना पड़ेगा, y plus 5% of y. Okay, and what is y? Y is the reduced price. Okay, let y be the reduced price. So this will become 105y upon 100. Now cross multiply, 4200 into 100 upon 105 is y. Now you will have to solve this. Once you solve this, 4200 divided by 105, you will get the answer as y as 4000. Okay, so that is the reduced price. समझ रहा है. सो पहले लिस्ट प्राइस क्या थी, 4203, ठीक है, लिस्ट प्राइस 4203. अब उसने कितना रिड्यूस कर लिया, 400. सो दैट मीन्स कितना डिस्काउंट दिया, डिस्काउंट कितना मिला, 200 का डिस्काउंट मिल गया. Okay, so that means the reduction in price is old mark price minus new price, that is 200 rupees. 200 rupees का उसे डिस्काउंट मिला, ठीक है. सो जब ये 4000 है, इस 4000 पे जब वो 5% टैक्स भरेगा तो टोटल हील पे ओनली 4200. समझ गए. पहले उसका मार्क प्राइस ये था, सो टोटल कितना पे करना पड़ रहा था, 4410. और उसने कहा कि मार्क प्राइस को कम करो, सो मार्क प्राइस को कम किया, कितना कर दिया, 4000 कर दिया, प्लस 5% टैक्स, तो टोटल हो जाता है 4200. ओके, पॉज द वीडियो एंड कॉपी द क्वेश्चन. Okay, next. Let's do the 25th sum from the new book, which will be the last sum for GST. I'll repeat again, those who have old book, you will also have to do these sums.
I will send them in the group. You can refer them. Okay, the sum says manufacturer sells the camera for 10,000 rupees to a dealer. Okay, so manufacturer is selling to the dealer at 10,000 rupees. Dealer sells it to the customer at a profit of 12%. So dealer is selling it to the customer at a profit of 12%. Okay, so I'll just mention here 12% profit. Dealer is making 12% profit. Let's find the price which has 12% profit. So the CP of customer, or you can say it is the selling price of dealer. You can name it anything. Is 12% profit on this 10,000. So what will the price be? 10,000 plus this profit of 12%, which will also be on 10,000. Okay, so this is 10,000 plus 1200, which brings the amount to 11,200. Okay, so this price will come here, 11,200. Okay, now let's read the question further. If all transactions are done within the state and the rate of GST is 28%, sum is done actually. This was all the information. Rate of transaction within a state. So they have given one statement here: all transactions are done within the state. Okay, let's read the question now. First, the GST paid by the dealer to the state government. The GST paid by dealer to state government. Can you read this properly? State government. Okay, only state government. GST paid by the dealer. First of all, dealer is a middleman. Okay, so he'll pay the GST on the profit. Okay, he'll pay the tax directly to the government on the profit. So 28% of the profit he made. Okay, so what is his profit? Can you see his profit here? 12%, which was nothing but 1200. Okay, or you can subtract this, 11,200 minus 10,000, that is 1200. So his profit is 1200. Multiply 28 into 1200. 28 into 12. So your answer will be 336. Okay, but this is the full GST which we have found. We have to find the GST paid by the dealer to the state government. Okay, previously also in one sum I had told you that we have to find only state government, मतलब half GST. ठीक है, तो either you can use 14% here, or in the end you can write that SGST means state GST will be 336 upon 2, that is 168. Okay, और you can directly take here 14% because सिर्फ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को देना है. ठीक है, तीन चीज़ें हो सकती है, इधर दे कैन आस्क यू गवर्नमेंट, और दे कैन आस्क यू सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, और दे कैन आस्क यू स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. अगर गवर्नमेंट बोला तो टेक फुल 28%, 18% फुल वैल्यू, एंड इफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पूछा तो हाफ हाफ 14%, आधा आधा. ठीक है, तो या तो परसेंटेज को हाफ करो या फाइनल वैल्यू को हाफ करो, इट्स वन एंड द सेम. ओके, नेक्स्ट, the total tax received by the central government. Okay, so total tax received by central government. Okay, so again they are asking you this central government. ठीक है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सबसे पहले तो टोटल टैक्स कैसे निकालते हैं? टोटल GST means the GST paid by the customer. Correct, total GST means the GST paid by the customer. Okay, so that will be, you can take, again I'll tell you, you can take 28% of 11,200 and then divide by 2. Okay, or you can directly take 14% of 11,200. Okay, both ways are right, you can choose any one. Okay, textbook chooses this. According to textbook they do it like this. Okay, so for example, if I make this calculation, 0 zeros will get cancelled, and 28 into 112 will give you 3136. Okay, and then this is the total percentage you have taken. So CGST, central GST, will be half of this. Okay, so that will be 1568. Okay, and if you do this calculation, you will directly get the answer as 1568. ओके, सो अगर आपको ये इजी लगता है, ये याद रहता है, तो आप ये लो. ओके, दोनों में आंसर सेम ही आएगा. गिव द रुपीज साइन ऑल्सो. Last, price paid by the customer. Very simple, the last question. We end the chapter from Frank. Price paid by the customer. Price paid क्या होता है? Sale price plus GST on sale price. Okay, so this is 11200 plus 28% of this, that is 3136. Okay, so you will get the answer as 14336. I think this will be your answer, final answer. Okay, so we have completed GST from Frank. Copy each and every step. That's it for today.